Today kind of started out not unlike a lot of Mondays. When it's pretty hectic, but today was a little bit extra hectic because, well, my car wouldn't start. Luckily, Anne had not left the driveway yet, so I quickly flagged her down. Probably looked like a crazy person doing so. We got to carpool today. So that was kind of a nice little surprise to the Monday. I gotta be honest with you, at first I wasn't so gung-ho about it, just because I was just extremely frustrated. I was already running late for the day. I was kind of just moving slow this morning, and I was just extremely stressed. So I let that get to me. I wasn't super pumped, but then I was able to kind of enjoy the fact that I got to ride with my lovely wife and our son on the way to school, and it was awesome. But you know, it's funny, a lot of times I find that one of my, I guess, shortcomings is that I often can't enjoy the moment, because I'm just already thinking 100 steps ahead and stressing out about my day, essentially. So that's one of the things that I'm working on. One of the things that actually this kind of helps with is being able to kind of really just focus in on what's happening now. But yeah, I mean, we got to enjoy some time together, the beautiful ride to my office with each other, so that was nice. And of course, the ride home. So it was otherwise a pretty good day. I think yesterday when Woodrow and I were cleaning out my car, I think I accidentally hit one of the like overhead lights to the on position versus like the automatic or the off position. So essentially the light was on all night. I jump started the battery, everything seems to be working fine. So tomorrow's gonna be an even better day. And oh my gosh, tomorrow I have a huge follow-up appointment with my knee surgeon. And I find out if I get the clearance to run again. Kind of anxious about it, but I've got a good feeling.
Previously on Lost.
How was your day, babe?
Good.
Nice. Well, I appreciate the ride, my love, and let's go get the kids.